Do you want to see how you can create a talking meme like this or create a talking photo? Stay tuned to EdTech Hustle. I'm going to show you how. All right, so the website we're going to want to go to is MagicHour.ai. This is a really fun site that you can get started and create for free. Now, there's also a paid plan as well. I'd probably recommend using the creator version, but you can use the free version as well if you'd like. But your first step is going to be to create an account. Now, after you create your account, you're taken to this dashboard where you have a number of different programs that you can use. The one that we want is this one right over here that says Talking Photo. You can see it takes this work of art and it allows you to actually add audio and some animation to it. So let's go ahead and open that up. All right, our first step is to upload the photo of the person, or in this case, the meme that we want to make talk. So I'm going to drag my item right inside this box. There it is, the famous meme of Willy Wonka. So now we're going to go to the next step, and this is where I have to upload the audio file that I want. So there's a couple different options that you can use right over here if you'd like to take existing audio, but what you will need is to drag or drop a file. Now, what you can't do is you can't record your own audio directly from this site. There is an option to do text-to-speech if you'd like, but what I want to do is just manually record my audio. You can do this on a number of different programs. And here is the audio that I recorded. I'll just play a second. Do you want to see how you can create a talking meme like this or create... It's basically what you heard at the beginning of this video. So it doesn't have to be Camtasia like I'm using now, but you do have to use a program that will allow you to record audio if you want to record your own voice. Now, of course, you can take like a YouTube clip and you can convert that to an audio file, and you can also upload that as well. But the key here is you need an actual audio file. So I exported that file. I'm just going to drag it right over here. And now I have my audio file. I can play this if I want. Do you want to see how you can create a talking meme like this? Do you want to see how you can create... Okay, so I think I'm good. So I'm going to select render video. As you can see, this is done by credits. This will take 480 credits, but as you can see up at the top, you can claim 100 credits daily, and I believe if you start for free, you begin with 400 credits. So let's go ahead, let's render this video, and in just a couple minutes, I should have a finished project to share with you. Okay, so are you ready? We have this 7-second clip. Let's go ahead and play it. Do you want to see how you can create a talking meme like this or create a talking photo? Stay tuned to EdTech Hustle. I'm going to show you how. So that's it. Now, once that's finished, you can select the download option, and we now have a file that we've downloaded directly from MagicHour. So I'm going to show you a couple more videos that I generated using this same feature, the talking photo feature in MagicHour. You can find it at MagicHour.ai. So let me know what you think of these talking photos, these talking memes. Leave a comment below, like this video, or if you really enjoy this content, please feel free to subscribe or leave a super thanks. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.